Welcome to Gulf Highlands, home of the Gators, where we go above the others, reaching success for all. I'm Mrs. Predmore.
And I'm Mrs. Kosh. Welcome everyone to Open House. Gulf Highlands Elementary is a Title I school, which means that we are giving federal funds to be able to supplement our students' needs here at our school. This year, we actually used those funds for a number of items. One of them was to purchase kindergarten and first grade resources for our classrooms. Another one is we provide training for all of our teachers, which means we do pay our teachers to spend an extra hour before school so that they can have that professional development. And then the other item that we purchase are extra personnel, such as teachers. We go ahead and spend our money so that we have more teachers per students to have that higher ratio.
Tonight in your child's classroom, you'll be receiving 3 important pieces of information. The first one is our Family Involvement brochure. Inside this brochure, you'll find information about how to be involved in our school, as well as how to communicate between school and home, and activities that you might be involved in here at Gulf Highlands. Also, we have goals and requirements for our Family Involvement plan here at Gulf Highlands. The next piece of information is our Gator Gazette. Tonight, you'll also be receiving our newsletter. This will be the only newsletter that comes to you in paper form. The rest will be online. Visit our website often so that you can stay up to date with what's happening here at our school. And the third piece of information is our Family Involvement Compact. Please make sure that you are able to read the compact tonight and to sign the compact so that we have really good school-to-home connection between you and our school.
It's so true. The last couple years, our school has earned the grade of a C from the state of Florida based on the 3rd, 4th, and 5th graders taking that Florida State assessment. As an entire school community, we're not happy or settled with that C. We want to move to a B. So if you might see a saying around our school, or you might hear us saying, we see a B in our future. And the only way that we can do that is with your help. So at our Meet the Teacher Day, everyone should have received a family involvement Gator family packet. If you did not show up that day or you did not get your packet, teachers should have extras for you, or they should have been sent home with your child on the first day of school. Inside of this packet was tons of information for you to peruse, but a few things I do want to highlight. One of them is how to stay connected, like Ms. Predmore said. We have new ways this year. One of them is Facebook. We've had that, but please join our Facebook page. Twitter, we're trying to do a better job making tweets out there. Another one is actually our website, like Ms. Predmore referred to, where our newsletters will be in the future. And then I started an app called Remind. That's going to be very important for you to join, because that's how I push out information that is timely. So your teachers have access to all of those social media or apps in the classroom. Please take advantage of signing up for those. Inside your packet, though, you should have received our beliefs, our core values, our commitments to your child. That was in here. Also, an important piece is how to be a member of our school advisory council. This is a group that meets monthly, and so if you would like to be a voting member of that team, please fill out this yellow form and hand it in the media center. You'll see Mrs. McCall and possibly Mrs. Predmore and possibly Mrs. Torrey there. They'll be happy to collect these as nomination forms. Once we receive these by Friday or Monday, we'll be sending home the vote so that we can know who our new members of SAC will be, and hopefully we can make that announcement by next Friday. The other way to get involved is to join our PTO. We do have monthly meetings, and this purple flyer that was in the packet has all the information on there. You do not have to attend all the meetings to be a member of PTO. We'd love to have you, of course, but if you can't make all the meetings, that's okay. It does cost $5 to be a member, and it's another great way to get involved and support the multiple activities we have going on at our school. I know your teachers probably mentioned about joining My Student. That was all in this packet, as well as the teachers will be able to help you do that as well. The other back page of this packet is the volunteer information. Many of you love to chaperone field trips. Every single grade level here goes on at least one field trip a year. In order for you to be a chaperone, you do need to fill out this volunteer application and be approved before that can happen. So I know you might not be, your class might not be scheduled to take a field trip until March. Go ahead and get it out of the way. Fill that application out and be done with that. But if you do want to be an active volunteer on our campus, this flyer also had information about our orientation. We're going to send a reminder flyer home about that, but please come to our orientation coming up next week so that we can help orientate you to the copy machine, the laminator, how to get around the school, and ways that you can help out while you're here on campus. Well, Ms. Predmore, I think that's the end of our message today. And again, parents, thank you so much for coming out and supporting your child. Enjoy those beautiful classrooms, getting to know your teachers, and letting your children show off everything they've learned so far this year. We look forward to a great year because we see a bee in our future. Good night.